Hi reception, welcome to today's phonics. This is our set 2 speed sound review. So really quick today, the speed sound that we are reviewing is E. 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 Let's have a look at this picture card quickly then. So we have got a picture of two boys up in a tree and they are using binoculars to have a look to see what they can see. E, what can you see? E, what can you see? E, what can you see? Well done, let's have a look at the other side now then. Look, special friends, E. Special friends, two letters make one sound. E. 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 So we've got E, what can you see? E. E, what can you see? E. Your turn, are you ready? Super work, well done. Let's put E in the pack. When you see it, remember to spot it and say E. In it goes. Ooh, off we go. Well done. Put it back in the pack. Brilliant. Fantastic. Last time. Let's see if you can find it this time. Super work. So we have reviewed the speed sound E. Well done.